Yes, you heard that right. I think the Pixel 9 might be a better deal, or rather a steal, than the Pixel 9 Pro. Google is shaking things up this year by introducing three phones. While the true successor to the Pixel 8 Pro is the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is a mouthful, the Pixel 9 Pro on the other hand is a true rival to the iPhone 16 Pro. Both the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro are rumored to be similar sized. Where the 9 Pro will feel more premium is with its frosted back finish. I don't think the glossy back of the Pixel 9 is a deal breaker because we all use cases anyways. But where the Pixel 9 Pro might slightly edge out the Pixel 9 will be in the display category. While both phones will feature the usual 120Hz panels, the 9 Pro probably will have a higher brightness display with thinner bezels and improved LTPO technology. That said, Pixel 9 won't be far behind in terms of overall brightness and refresh rate, but the lack of thinner bezels might be a buzzkill for few. Hey, as long as the bezels on the 9 are similar to the Pixel 8, I don't think we'll have any issues with that. Battery capacity on both phones should be around the same given the similarities in dimensions. However, Google could provide the 9 Pro users with faster charging, which is a very big plus. Other differences could include 8 gigs of RAM on the 9 versus 12 gigs on the 9 Pro, UFS 3.1 versus UFS 4.0 storage, slightly faster CPU or GPU, and starting storage variant being higher on the 9 Pro. But as expected, the biggest difference between the 9 and 9 Pro is going to be a camera. Actually, two cameras. The Pixel 9 will feature a dual camera setup versus the triple of the 9 Pro. The 9 Pro will feature a higher res ultrawide while the 9 could feature the same 12 megapixel ultrawide as before. Once again, not a deal breaker as the ultrawide, at least for me, is one of the least used cameras. The biggest difference, however, will be the telephoto lens of the 9 Pro. Rumors peg the zoom lens of the 9 Pro to be at least 5x. This is much more than the cropped 2x Pixel 9 will offer. And I think this will be one of the biggest selling points of the Pixel 9 Pro and something that will sway a lot of Pixel 9 users in getting the 9 Pro. Other than that, Google could add better video capabilities to the 9 Pro. But let's not forget the biggest thing of all, which is the price. If Google ends up offering the Pixel 9 at a much lower price tag than the 9 Pro, then it all becomes very interesting. Personally, I think Google could offer the Pixel 9 at a price of $749 while the 9 Pro could come in at $949. The starting storage variant of 256GB could offset that price for the Pixel 9 Pro while the 128GB variant of the Pixel 9 doesn't sound too bad. Now could Google shake things up by offering the Pixel 9 at just $699 and the 9 Pro at $899? Well, I think that's a real possibility. That way, the Pixel 9 Pro XL could be priced at $1049 or $1099 to better compete with the likes of iPhone 16 Pro Max and the S24 Ultra. But let me know which phone you're more excited about, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one.